Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube language in your mobile phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you guys have to just simply tap on the below right corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on that, here you guys have to just simply click on the top right corner of settings. So here in the settings you guys have to just simply tap on the general settings. So in the general setting you guys will be able to see all the your app settings. You guys have to just simply tap on this app language, and after tapping on that, here it will provide you a list of all languages. You guys can just swiping up and you guys can see lots of languages. You guys have to just simply select the language which you want to convert. So after selecting that language, you guys have to just simply click on this change button and your app language will be changed. And note that it does not affect the video's language, it is just changing the app language, so you guys can change the YouTube interface into your needs or according to your needs. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.